Hi folks, Pat Gage here. Have you ever come across in your city or town a abandoned or closed hotel like this one here? Well, have you ever thought to yourself, hey, you know what? I wonder if I could turn that into apartment buildings. Yes, you can. And my guest on Wednesday in the mastermind, that's June 16th, is going to be Becca. She's going to come in and share with us how her team is doing just that, turning in an old branded hotel like this one here into multifamily apartments. Now, she's had some struggles. She's going to talk you through those struggles, give you kind of like a roadmap on how to do it your own way, but also follow the guidelines that she's going to set up. She is looking, and her team is looking for more because it is so profitable. Here's a secret, folks. You can buy these at 30 to 40% discount. That gives you a lot of room to do improvements, right? That gives you a lot of room to have a couple mistakes, but she's going to guide you and so you don't have those mistakes. So join me Wednesday, June 16th. That's at 7 p.m. Eastern. The link is below this video. Come on and join us and show. She's going to show and share with you her ups and downs, but as well, she's also going to show you how to do it the right way, so you can avoid those minefields and make a ton of money. Okay, folks, thanks much, and we'll see you there.